So an update on compost, or a description of kind of like it's been setting itself up. So I had this rack for the purpose of gardening, all of it. That's the idea, gardening in this rack, and then the bucket for the compost. Now let me show you how my compost bucket works. So this is a fairly large laundry basket, sealed, no hold, but sealed, kind of like a sandbox for a cat, but deeper. You know, like a laundry basket, deep. I don't even know how big this one is, but it's bigger than the average. I need to check it out. I have had it for a while. Anyway, so it's just one of those that you find at Target or Walmart, or or maybe you can print it yourself. I don't know. Anyway, the size is about. You see my bicycle. You see the comparison. The that's a regular just race track bicycle. So just compare the sizes. Anyway, so idea is that I got this piece of cardboard, a box, to divide the bucket into two. So the box doesn't go all the way down, so it's not exactly blocking both sides. There's a little bit of a gap between the end of the box and the end of the bucket. So only like the smallest particles can come down. It's kind of like a filter, right? And then on this side comes fresh, organic, like banana peels, like apple hearts, like old plants that didn't make it. Right here, everything organic that goes out into this side, covered with some of my old planters that I just had going around with old soil, with old dirt. So I'm adding this here. But part of the process, when it comes, maybe I don't have any more dirt. Once all the dirt I have available in these other potters go out, once that happens, I would just start taking soil from this side of the bucket back to the top of the other side. And let me show you what it means, or why. Because since only small particles, relatively small particles, can come underneath that area, what I do is that every now and then I just take the little shovel here, and then I just kind of like dig slightly, kind of like a little layer, kind of like spooning on direction to the thin size of the bucket. And you see, only the small things gonna come. Like once the mandarin peels are kind of like smaller. At first I threw these things complete. The mandarin peel, it was complete, but since a few days of being on this side, it reduced its size, and now it comes here. So that's the process, and that's it. And then every now and then you just add some water, just a few layers of water, and then you mix it up. And then what's happening is that on this side we are preparing the dirt for the next project. On this side there's gonna be a little more rich soil combination because of what's happening on this side, and then becomes the combination will be water, and so on and so forth. So that's it. That's my compost bucket. Thank you very much for your attention, and hope you find this useful.